Lemko language. Lesson 19. Clothing. Lemkівський язик. 19 lekcja. Oblečenia. Let's learn some items of clothing in Lemko. Koshelia. Ko-she-lia means shirt. Nohauka. No-hau-ka means pants. Korotka nohauka. Korotka nohauka means shorts. Rifli. Rifli means jeans. Remin. Remin means belt. Kabat. Kabat means skirt. Suknia. Suknia means dress. Bunda. Bunda means jacket. Gerok. Gerok means jacket, or more specifically, a blazer. Sveder. Sveder means sweater. Pijama. Pijama means pajamas. Gacha. Gacha, or alternatively, maitka. Maitka means underwear. Škarpetka. Škarpetka means socks. Kalap. Kalap, or alternatively, kapeluch. Kapeluch means hat. Shapka. Shapka means cap. Shalik. Shalik means scarf. Shlyapa. Shlyapa means slippers. Meshta. Meshta means shoes. More specifically, shoes that don't go past the ankle. They also mean dress shoes. Cherevika. Cherevika means shoes. More specifically, shoes that go past the ankle. They also mean boots. Cherevika na wysokim zapiatku. Cherevika na wysokim zapiatku means high-heeled shoes. In addition to clothing, let's also learn how to say some accessories in Lemko. Kravatka. Kravatka means tie. Chustka. Chustka means kerchief or headscarf. Rukavichi. Rukavichi means gloves. Krevulka. Krevulka means necklace. Kulchuka. Kulchuka means earrings. Okulara. Okulara means glasses. Pachurka. Pachurka means beads. Perstin. Perstin means ring. Pularis. Pularis means wallet. Here are some verbs that can be used that are relevant to clothing. Nosete. Nosete means to wear. Vdite nasha. Vdite nasha, or alternatively, oblečesha. Oblečesha means to put on. Zdite zosha. Zdite zo-sha, or alternatively, zoblecha-sha. Zo-ble-ch-sha means to take off. Preoblecha-sha. Pre-o-ble-ch-sha means to change. Pozberate-sha. Poz-be-ra-te-sha means to get dressed. Vzute-sha. Vzu-te-sha, or alternatively, obute-sha. O-bu-te-sha means to put on shoes. Rozute-sha. Ro-zu-te-sha means to take off shoes. Example sentences. Tvý brat nosit hardu košelu. Tvý brat nosit hardu košelu. Your brother is wearing a nice shirt. Vin vdije naša šapku I bundu. Vin vdije naša šapku I bundu. He puts on a hat and a jacket. Ne pozeraj, one ša preoblečut. Ne pozeraj, one ša preoblečut. Don't look, they are changing. Jej sestra pozberača na imprezu. Jej sestra pozberat ša na imprezu. Her sister is getting dressed for the party. My rozujemy się, bo sme na plaży. My rozujemy się, bo sme na plaży. We are taking off our shoes because we are at the beach. This concludes Lesson 19. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.